So the public health response is going to be critically important during this time, that we get ahead of the curve. And so paying attention and doing exactly what we're being told um, is key. But there are going to be economic costs to this, and they're going to be felt, the brunt of them is going to be felt by the lowest income families. People are in hourly jobs that are going to see their hours cut as consumer traffic slows down, restaurants, conference centers, as conferences get shut down, and people who are living on a pretty thin margin, right, making ends meet from paycheck to paycheck, are going to start to run into trouble with food and housing and all sorts of things. So I think as we go into this time and we want to pay special attention to the public health effects of what's going on, we also have to really think about those who could be negatively impacted and what it's going to mean for them and their families. If schools close, it's easier for workers who have paid time off and sick time and family leave time in their jobs to take that time off and take care of their families. It's easier for them to go home and work remotely and try to manage both things at once. For workers who are low earners and in hourly jobs, that's not always going to be the case. We can imagine that food banks and folks providing housing assistance, these are going to be times when those folks may be crunched. So this is one of those good times when you can stay in your home and actually provide some financial assistance to those providers, places that you trust in your communities. Make sure they have the resources to care for the people who may be feeling the brunt of this.